Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need, I have about a foot of string here, scissors, some pony beads. You're going to need some of these. If you don't have these, you can substitute for pony beads or whatever you have on hand. And then I also have, you need a large bead. It can be anything you have on hand. This is just a little square, and I put a sticker on it. And stars or hearts or flowers or butterflies. We're going to be making this ring, but in different colors. And hearts instead of stars. But this little thing came from a kid's toy. You can find a lot of fun beads on baby toys or off of kids' toys. But we're going to start with making a star. So you're going to put on, I'm going to make a pink star. You're going to put on 10 pink pony beads. Okay, you have your 10 beads on. You're going to take, you want a long end and a short end. And you're going to tie this together. Tie your ends together. And you might want to do a few knots. Okay, you're going to cut the small one off. And I have a needle. This is optional. It just makes it a little easier to go around. And what I like to do is I like to go through one bead. So the knot's back here. And we're going to add, I forgot to show you what that looks like. Okay, so after you tie it, you have this circle. Now you're going to add 5 pink beads. And we're going to skip a bead and go through the next one. So we're coming out of this bead, skipping this one, and then going through the next one. And pull that tight. And if you grab the middle, it will stick out like that. Now we're going to repeat that, add 5 pink. Coming out of this bead, we're going to skip this one and then go through this one. Going to repeat that. Skip this one, go through this one. I'm going to skip this one, go through this one. Okay, this is going to be the last set of 5. Okay, now we're going to go through this bead. Skipping this one, going through this one. And then you might need to go around and retighten this depending on what type of string you have. And then I'm going to go up through. We're coming out of that middle bead. We're going to go up through these 3. And keep it tight and tie a knot. Or at least I'm going to, because this string likes to move on me. So your star stays in place. And now we're going to do the outside. Need to open this. And I'm pretty sure the needle won't go through these beads. So I'm gonna have to take it off. And my pattern is going to be two of these, one heart, and let me see if that's going to be long enough. Yeah. Okay, so that's going to be my pattern all the way around. 2, a heart, and 1 more. Okay, so we're going to always go through your middle bead that's poking out. Okay, let's repeat that. I lost a bead. It's hard to see the hole from over here. It's because it's clear. Okay. Now I'm going to put my needle back on. Get on there. Okay. And you're going to want to tighten this. I'm going to tighten it, and we're going to go through right where we started. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and make 1 knot here so my string doesn't move. Oh no, it's getting loose on me. You don't have to do that. I just don't want, for some reason this string is just, it's a different brand and I'm still getting used to it, but it likes to move when I'm trying to get things tight. Okay, so I tied it and then went down these 3 beads here. We're just trying to get to the center. Doesn't really matter which bead as long as you get down here, but I went through these 3. Went through these 3. Now it's time to put our big bead on. And you're going to look across and go through one of these beads. Let's see, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going through the 6th bead. But like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just try to center as much as you can. Okay, guys, one more knot. Well, I might have to put my needle on for this. And if you run out of string, you can always tie more on. Okay, I have a knot. Everything is tight and secure. Now it's time to do the ring part. Now this, you're just going to have to keep trying it on and figure out what size you need. So this one I made is a little too loose. So 2/4. I put 9 on. I think I'm going to do 8 for this one. And I'm going to put 8 of these on. Okay, now you're gonna look across. Right here is the bead that's across from this one. And probably gonna put my needle back on. I wish, that's the only thing that sucks about some of those smaller beads is your needle won't go through. You'll go through and you want to leave this a little loose, not too loose. And tie, you're going to tie on to the string here. Probably a couple times. And cut that off. And that's what it looks like. Let's see. So this one turned out a little smaller. It's still cute, but it's a little smaller than the one with the stars. Because these are mini hearts, and this is a regular size star. But I still like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.